What's up guys, my name is ClicksForWin and today we're going to be showing you how to create a magma farm, I guess. Uh, so I'm going to show you my own design and how to make it. So yeah, stay tuned and I'm going to be showing you how to create it. So you will start your coop, I guess you have one. And all you need to do, you need to go to the nether and kill about um, 80 magmas. Or if you have looting, it will make your life a lot easier. So yeah, go do that. Uh, once you unlock, once you unlock the the first stage, which is basically killing 50 magmas, you unlock the magma cube minion recipes. So you go here. This is the recipe, pretty simple. I suggest you to use a level V, like it's the best for the farm. Then you upgrade it like that, like so. Uh, use 6 or 7 as much as this box can fit. And yeah, so make your spot. Take as much cobblestone as you can, and uh, create this box, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's basically 1 second. It's 5 rows, one wall, which is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 blocks on each 7 rows. Same for each corner. Then you make this little thing, one hole here at the very bottom, and you basically kill. Wait, no, I didn't show you. I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm going to go inside to show you. It's very easy to collect. And the only reason I didn't add hoppers and chests is because I want you guys. This video is basically a tutorial on how to grind for magma armor, which you need to collect the magmas, so you can just place hoppers for to unlock the recipe. If you go here, it's this one. Like the magma armor itself, it's not that hard to make, to be honest, but you need the recipe. So yeah, you need to just sit here, kill them, and you need to kill 25k magmas and collect the magma cream as well. I suggest to use a cleave, looting 3, and sharp V. Pretty much helps. This is how I got my hurricane bow as well. So yeah, once you create that box, place one block, one stone block, just like so, and place your minion on it, and same goes for every single minion. If you want to press more, I placed like 3 on each row. You can do this, and like so. Then get 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3, 5. Get 5 water buckets, and place water here, 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 and here, and here. And the water will start pushing the slimes down. No slimes, magmas, I'm sorry. And you'll basically be able to kill them you'll be able to kill them from this hole here. Magma also sells for a lot, like one stack is 512 coins, so it's a pretty good price to sell it for. And you can also place a door. You can also light it up, but I don't have a problem with mob spawning. Uh, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and good luck with your journey on unlocking the magma armor. Peace.